So I know I'm probably not the first to tell you guys about the new Trophy Room and Jordan 1 collab. I must say, bruh, them joints like an A1 off of first glimpse. Let's go ahead and talk about it in today's video, man. So if you guys do not know, man, Trophy Room and Jordan have been doing a couple collabs, man. We got the original, the OG Trophy Room 1s. Then we got the Trophy Room Air Jordan 7s, which we do have right here. Got these things to retail, and I thought it was so weird, bruh. I was like, there's no way I'm hitting on a pair of Trophy Room anything, and I did happen to hit on these 7s for retail on the sneakers app. And then later down the line, you can probably see these things right now going for way under retail, which is crazy. Probably didn't rise up probably within these last couple months. And when the first drop, bro, you can get these things for under retail. And now leading to this new pair of Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 lows probably has to be the best thing for Trophy Room and Jordan as far as collaboration, because I think they definitely missed with the 7s. Then they should have hit us with another silhouette, but it did make sense, the backstory and everything about these Trophy Room 7s. The new Sheriff in Town joints right here, but it's almost like with these new Air Jordan 1 low Trophy Rooms, kind of hit us with like a reverse black toe. So I'm gonna put a picture right up over here, and I'm gonna show you guys the black toe lows, and I know you guys can see the comparison I'm trying to make, bro. It literally flip-flopped the black toe, gave us the black heel and a red toe box, and they gave us these Trophy Room joints. They are scheduled to release sometime soon. I don't think it's a set release date yet. When I first heard about it, it was supposed to be December, and then I heard it was gonna be releasing in January. Who knows? But the official release date and all that stuff shall be coming out relatively soon, bro. I feel like after the Trophy Room 1 drop, there was a lot of controversial stuff going on, backdooring pairs. You guys know about the whole no box situation. Shouts out to Rappy Collects. But that was just a crazy, crazy time period in the sneakerhead community that a lot of people were mad about. Even me myself, bro. I really wanted a pair of Trophy Rooms. I always wanted a pair of Chicago's, and that was like the closest thing to the Chicago. Of course, they hit us with a little spin-off with the, you know what I'm saying, the translucent blue outsoles and stuff like that. The nice glazed look over the entire Trophy Room 1. But now you look at these joints right here, and I don't think they're half bad. Like, I know some people like, yo, these don't even amount up to the Trophy Room 1, the original joints. I think it was called like the frozen moments or the freeze moments, something to that effect. But these right here, don't know the backstory behind them, don't know what kind of, you know, storyline they're trying to run with. But like I said, bro, these joints is straight fire, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all. You guys go ahead and comment down below off of first initial reaction, off of first images that we have been seeing. What do y'all feel about it, bro? Is this gonna be another Jordan 1 that goes for retail or below? Is gonna be another one of them pairs that get backdoor like crazy? Because you already know, man, these are gonna be limited, bro. There's no way they're about to drop a Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 and not make it limited. They don't want that Trophy Room Jordan 1 line to go down. So they probably gonna limit these things to about 20 or 30,000 pairs. Who knows? Like I said, we might not even see 20,000 of those pairs, because they might get backdoored again. You just never know, bro. As soon as I seen all the official images and stuff like that, man, I went straight over to Twitter, seen a bunch of different people talking about it. And the first thing you see on a lot of these comments is they're gonna be backdoored. Marcus Jordan's gonna be backdooring them joints, selling them to his homeboys and homegirls. And I'm just hoping that's not the case. I'm hoping everybody gets a fair opportunity to grab these things, and we could potentially be seeing a shock drop here relatively soon as well. Like, just like the original Trophy Room Jordan 1s, those joints shock drop and we didn't know anything about it. But they might roll out a shock drop. They might roll out an exclusive access. Who knows at this point? Because just now getting the official images of it. Like, we didn't know it was going to be a red and black and white Jordan 1 low, but we never knew exactly what the makeup of it was going to be. Like, we didn't know if it was going to look like a black toe, but it kind of does, bro. They just reversed it a little bit and gave us these guys right here. I'm feeling them. I'm digging them, but hopefully we do see a shock drop that might help us out. That might help us out. Don't let nobody know the date. Don't even let Sneaker YouTube know the date, because you guys know we try to help you guys out. But to make it fair and square, drop them joints out of nowhere, make it a random shock drop. Not even giving us a 10-minute window, and see who all is, you know what I'm saying, first. Let's see who first, bro. And then hopefully, you know what I'm saying, later down in the line, we do get an exclusive access, kind of similar to what we've been seeing with a lot of these releases lately, like the Kobe 6 Grinches, the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, and I can go on and on about some of these highly anticipated releases, how Nike have been doing them. But you guys already know what's gonna be cooked. You know it's gonna be botted out. It's gonna be Trophy Room's website. And I cannot wait to see the line and see how many people actually do obtain a pair of the Trophy Room 1 lows from Trophy Room store itself down in Florida. it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be another controversial issue. Hopefully not, but I am leaning more toward the fact that they're gonna make these limited. It's gonna make, you know what I'm saying, resellers all over these joints. Botters gonna go crazy. And that's just gonna raise the resale value, bro. Yeah, man, that's a quick video, man. Just want to give you guys official images, get you guys honest thoughts and opinions over these Air Jordan 1 low trophy rooms. It's like a reverse black toe low, and it's a couple, you know what I'm saying, dope details, and they got some gold hits, they got some clean insoles on them, guys, and I have not seen the full outsoles yet, so we shall see what the full makeup of this trophy room Jordan 1 low makes up to be, bro. I'm interested. I can't wait. And I'm banking on it being a shock drop here within the next couple of weeks, man. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. Stay tuned for all future content. Like I said, man, notification bell. If that shock drop is coming, we get some info, I'm gonna put you guys on. You already know how your boy the Vintage rock, man. Again, appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. And all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.